Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu online. First, ensure you have the Asu game client installed on your computer. You'll also need a stable internet connection to connect to the game's servers. Once the game is running, it automatically attempts to establish an online connection. This allows you to access all the exciting online features, including leaderboards and multiplayer modes, right from the main menu. It's a seamless process, designed for quick access to the community. To fully experience Asu online, you'll need an account. Head over to the official Asu website and click on the Register button. You'll be prompted to enter a username, a valid email, and a secure password. After submitting, check your email for a verification link to activate your account. Once verified, you can log into the Asu game client with your new credentials. This step is crucial for tracking your scores and participating in the online community. Once logged in, the Asu main menu becomes your hub for online activity. You'll see your current online status and global ranking prominently displayed. From here, you can easily browse and download new beatmaps created by the community, with thousands available. Each beatmap has its own leaderboard, allowing you to compete for the top score. You can also jump into multiplayer lobbies to play with up to 8 other players, adding a social dimension to your rhythm gaming. To ensure a smooth online experience, regularly update your Asu client. This keeps you current with new features and important bug fixes. Engage with the vibrant Asu community through the official forums and in-game chat. It's a great way to connect with other players. If you encounter any suspicious activity or rule violations, report them to the Asu staff. Most importantly, consistent practice will help you improve your skills and climb the global rankings, making your online journey even more rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.